And good morning, so my Jeep update for October 3rd. I believe it's October 3rd, Monday morning. I'll change that and put it in the captions if I'm wrong. But anyway, I'm back out here working on the Jeep. Now, yesterday, before I closed out the video and posted it, I added to my shim pack, took the pinion back out, added to the shim pack, and I got my preload up a little bit, but I'm up to 190 pounds on the pinion nut, and I still only have about 10 pounds of preload. So I'm gonna go back in, do a little more reviewing, I believe I'm gonna have to pull the pinion back out and add maybe another thousands of a shim. Thousands to the shim pack. Anyway, I'll get back with you and update you on it after I get this figured out. My Jeep out for now. And good afternoon. This is my Jeep update for October 4th. It's Tuesday, and I'm picking up where I left off yesterday. I've been doing a little work, not much, because I'm doing another setup. I had the pinion back out. I'm starting to reassemble again and try to get this set up right. Yesterday, I had a pinion in and out, I think, twice. The day before, once. And anyway, the day before, I got the preload to 10 thousandths, and I had the torque at least 190 foot-pounds. So I probably could have cranked it down some more, and it might have worked. I don't know. I need 15 to 20 inch-pounds on the preload. Anyway, as I said earlier, I'm getting ready to reassemble this thing, put it back together, tighten it down. I'll start at 160 foot-pounds and then see what I got on preload, and then work it up from there and see if I can get what I need. I need 15 to 20 inch-pounds on the preload, and I'm finding a hard time getting it. I've changed the shim several times. I'm inexperienced, and when I think I'm doing something right, I'm usually doing something wrong. But anyway, I made a change. I took out a thicker shim, I think it was 1,000ths, and I added a smaller shim. It was about half the size. But anyway, I'll update you after I get this back together and see what it's doing, and give you an update on that. Out. Checking some preload here. I think I am. Seems like I can't get above 10 pounds for some reason. Changed shims several times. You're not going to be able to see this on camera. I'm not afraid of death, but oh, what will I do if you leave? Showing about 9 to 10 pounds, so I'm going to have to tighten it up some more. Got me a little rig here. If you'll be able to see that. Anyway, got me an old. I can't believe it until I shoot Frank Miller dead. Wait long. Got me an old torque wrench that's broken. It still works as a wrench, so I got it set in here, and this yoke tool. Now I'm going to I've got it torqued to 165. I'm doing 5-pound increments. I had to use my body weight. Anyway, let me set this up for 160 170 pounds now. Okay, I got the torque wrench set at 170, and I'm going to slide out. I'm going to use my body weight to try to torque it. I just don't have the strength anymore to do it down that low. So let's see what happens. That's 170. Either 170, 175, I forget which. Look again. That's 170. Yeah, that's 170. I'm gonna check it again now. Take this back up off, hang, get my inch-pound, and let me double check. Yeah, it's definitely tightening up, but I don't know. To me, it seems like it should be freer than that, but let's see what I got now. 10 pounds so far is all I've been able to get. I think it's hard to see this thing, but now it's a little over 10, and I think it's about, might be about 12 pounds. So they got a little ways to go. It's really hard to see up under here. Got shadow, and anyway, just a hair over 10. So I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I got backup set up. Get my torque wrench back on. I'm gonna go to 175. Torque set at 175. And I'm going to get out again and use my body weight. Damn, my grandma can move faster than that, boy. She's over 90 years old. Here we go. Sorry, I'm so slow. 72.
Hey, you just weak, boy. You're weak in the mind and you're weak in the body.
There's 175. Let's see what we got now. Torque wrench coming off. Alright, let's pull my backup off. Let it hang. Yeah, it's definitely getting tighter. I don't know, that just feels awful tight to me. I thought with those new bearings in there would be a lot looser. Let's see what we got. See what we got. You think this is a Mickey Mouse setup here that I had to use adapters. It just don't seem like it wants to. I'm just having a hard time seeing. Well, now I'm showing about 15. I think I got about 15, guys. Yeah. I think I got about 15 there. But those of you that have watched this, you see how tight that is? I thought it was supposed to be a lot looser. But then you wouldn't have the preload, so I don't know.
Let's face it,
Anyway,
Billy Bob, you just don't know.
I still got the
much.
old crush washer in there. And I still got the setup race in the back there, you know, the one I made just so I could get it in and out quick to adjust the shim. Now this tells me if I'm anywhere, if I'm right, I should have my shims about right for the pinion. So now I should be able to go on, put my carrier in, figure out those shims, and check my pattern. I'm going to shut down here for a while and do some review work because I've got to do this step by step, you know, being an amateur at this, you know, because I've already skipped some steps earlier. That's why I had to go back and start this process all over again. Anyway, that's my Jeep. I'll get back with you if I make any progress. Out for now. I used original shim on the right side of the carrier, and I made up a shim pack for the left side of the carrier. And this is where things went wrong. The shim pack I come up with was just a little bit too thick, and I tried to force them in by tapping them in with a hammer. This did not work well because the shims bent. I eventually got the carrier removed by using a crowbar, which wasn't smart. I ended up putting a few marks on the right side bearing, but after examination I think they'll be okay. I'm gonna polish the marks out. They're on the case, but I may consider purchasing a new bearing just to make sure. That remains to be seen. This is an original shim from the factory I used on the right. I made up a shim pack for the left. However, I did have problems with the shim pack on the left. I tried to force them in and ran into a major problem. We'll talk more about this when I post the next video. I got work to do.